Welcome! Today we will learn how to do the reverse single crochet stitch. And its symbol as appears on the screen. We use reverse single crochet in decorating the edges of our crochet work like this one here. Basically it's the usual single crochet but worked in reverse. We normally work our single crochet row from right to left. But reverse single crochet is done from left to right. So let's get started. We'll connect the strand to our work. Insert the hook into the stitch, yarn over and pull through and do one chain stitch for the single crochet row. This is the next stitch. Go into the stitch just as we do in a single crochet stitch. Yarn over and pull through and we'll have 2 loops on the hook as we usually get in single crochets. Then yarn over and pull through. And into the next one. Yarn over and do a single crochet stitch. Next one. Yarn over and pull through. And we have 2 loops. So it's the usual single crochet but worked in reverse. From left to right, and the loops are a little bit twisted. I haven't changed anything except for the starting direction. Now we've finished decorating the edge with reverse single crochets. Thank you.